If you're a teacher looking to bring more excitement into your STEM lessons, the University of Hawaii has a free resource to help. STEM Pre-Academy is expanding its Toolkit for Teachers lending library ahead of the school year. The program offers nearly 100 toolkits, things like 3D printers and robotic kits, terrain simulators and wave tanks, all available at no cost for Hawaii's K-12 educators. Goal: to give students hands-on experiences with real-world science, engineering, and technology.
Using those tools, using that equipment, engaging that way, it's giving students the opportunity to be scientists, to be engineers, to be computer scientists or mathematicians, so that they're actually asking questions, they're collecting data, they're analyzing their data, they're working together in a community.
Many of the kits are based on research by University of Hawaii scientists, like coral bleaching and wave energy experiments. Educators can borrow the kits through the Pre-Academy's Manoa office Monday through Friday. And more details are online at the STEM Pre-Academy website.